Hello everyone, I'm Tom Barron from Practice 70 Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your TA's, your facilitator's email. Again, this information should be sent to you by your CSS team member, but it may take them some time, and this is an easier, faster way to get it. So we're in a course, any course. This is probably one of your new ones. You see it's new for me. I'm going to come over here to the side and click on people. When you click on people and you scroll down, you'll see a class roster here, with each student's name, their ID number, the role, the class, etc. And here we see the TA. Now, again, I've blocked some of this out for privacy reasons, but their name would appear right here where this green box is. It'll say their TA, and here's their email. Right? So the second half, first half is here blocked. So I can just highlight this. Oops, forgot the S. And I'll copy it, and then I can put that in my Proxlearn email, send them an email, and engage my instruction with them. Another key thing to note here at the beginning of the year, you can see students' last activity. So this is a new class. Students have not logged in yet, so I know, okay, it's probably still going to be a little bit. They haven't logged into Canvas yet. If it's been a week and it's still like this, I probably want to check in with my CSS team member to see what's going on and get these students in class. You can see total activity. I'll show you what it looks like for me. Okay, I've scrolled down here and you can see my name, and you see the last time I was on here was in October 23rd. And I've been on for a total of 15 minutes. So that's what it's going to look like when students and your TA start logging on. Okay, thanks for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.